In today's video, how to insert logo in CapCut. Open project where you want to add logo. If any element is selected, press back button in the bottom left to deselect everything. At the bottom of screen, tap on overlay, then select add overlay. Navigate to photos and locate your logo saved in your camera roll. Select logo by tapping on little checkbox in the top right corner of each. Click on add at the bottom right to insert logo into our project. Now use pinch gesture on your screen to resize logo to your desired size. Drag logo to place it in desired location on your video. On the timeline, you can adjust logo start and end points by dragging edges. This controls how long the logo will appear in the video. If your logo has background and you would like to remove it, make sure logo is selected and scroll through options at the bottom and find remove PG. Choose auto removal or custom removal. If logo has solid color background, select chroma key. Choose color to remove by tapping on color picker and selecting background color. Adjust intensity slider to refine removal of background. Once you're satisfied, click on checkmark to apply. And after removing background, reposition logo if necessary. Preview your video to ensure the logo appears correctly.